Let's go.
Your mom.
Shut up! Well, yeah, you liked our thingy-majingy.
So, yeah. We're bored. And you're going to North. Yeah.
Shit.
Look at my butt.
She's a sophomore.
No, she isn't.
Yeah.
She went to, like... Vanessa, stop. She went to, like, Central last year.
No, she didn't. She's
She
a
did?
sophomore.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Are you sure?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. I was talking to her, like...
She's a sophomore?
She's a sophomore.
Dude, I'm, like, out of it.
She's high on Jesus.
I know I'm high off of Jesus.
Shut up.
Did you say Cheez-Its?
On Jesus, yeah. She's high on Jesus.
I got braces.
Well, yeah, you guys look weird.
Shut up.
Yeah, you shut up. No one likes you except your mom.
Yeah. And my dad. Don't forget my dad.
Should I call?
I don't know.
Let's call Jessica. Oh, wait, no. She's busy.
With what?
Oh, not that Jessica. Other Jessica.
Oh, yeah. It's okay, Jessica.
Okay, well, we gotta go. Cause
Yeah, because...
this is too long. 1 minute and 12
Yeah, but
seconds.
it's okay, Jessica. We love you.